Good morning everyone, I am Lavanya Bhatt and I am with my teammates Fahim Sarkar and Shayan Kaur. Our mentor is TGT Himanshu Raj and we have our project Smart Waste Segregation System under Swadesh. First of all, as you know that waste is a huge problem in India. The growing prices of solid waste is a huge problem with 62 million of waste that are generated annually. Out of the 62 million, only 43 million, which is 70% of waste, is collected. And out of this 70%, very 50% receives proper treatment. This has created a huge problem without effective segregation. Valuable resources are being lost. This has created environmental degradation. Our project hence addresses this issue, solving a problem with a proper waste segregation system.
Now, our comprehensive waste management solution, here we have 5 stages by which we can reduce this waste in our environment by managing it. And here it is.
स्मार्ट सिमुलेशन एट सोर्स बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट जो सिमुलेशन एट सोर्स बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट जो स्मार्ट segregation at source we have green bean, blue bean and red bean.
Here we segregate waste. In green bean we put biodegradable waste, blue bin contains dry recyclable waste and red bin has hazardous waste like.
And now here we have plastic waste transformation, where we first step is our collecting and cleaning, and second is shredding and heating, third is mixing with sand, and fourth one is molding and cooling. First collecting and cleaning, जहाँ पर हम उसको बस collect करते हैं और clean करते हैं and so on.
The next step, we stage 3, we have biodegradable waste conversion. And first day from day 1 to 7, green waste is collected and we layer it by composting. From day 8 to 21, regular turning and moisture helps decomposition, which accelerates with microbial activity. From day 22 to day 45, the temperature of this waste compost that we have collected stabilizes. Day 45 to day 60, final curing produces nutrient-rich organic matter.
Now, plastic recycle for industry. Energy save 70%, emission reduced 85%, and cost reduction is 60%.
We have thermal energy generation, which is our fifth stage. Here we go from waste to energy process, which is very sustainable for our environment. We then generate steam, which helps in generating electricity. Electricity hence produces controls emanation.
Project flowchart and waste segregation, plastic blocks, composition, industrial recycle, and energy generation.
Last one is environmental impact and implementation. First is zero landfills. Second, reduce emission, cleaner environment, renewable energy, and here in future implementation strategies are pilot in schools, community expansion, and municipal partnership.
That's it for our project. Thank you.